Hi team. Let me show you how our new Bitrix integration with WhatsApp works using EasyBee Chrome extension. Imagine you're in WhatsApp, chatting with a client. With our extension, you can now interact directly with Bitrix. If you need to check something in Bitrix, just click the extension button, go to Bitrix. You can smoothly switch from WhatsApp to Bitrix and back. For example, if you're chatting with a client and need to access their Bitrix details, one click takes you right there. Moreover, all conversations with your Bitrix contacts are automatically backed up in Bitrix. You can access these chats within Bitrix, organized by date, making it easy to review past conversations. Additionally, if you need to update a contact's details, you can do that directly from within the extension. Say you want to change a contact's name to, just type the new name, click Save, and it's instantly updated in Bitrix. Furthermore, you can create activity, comment, and task options directly from the extension. This feature streamlines your workflow, allowing you to manage your schedule and follow-ups without leaving WhatsApp. It's important to note that only chats with your Bitrix contacts are backed up to Bitrix. Your personal chats remain private and are not included in the backup. Lastly, if you meet a new client and need to add them to Bitrix, it's easy. Open the extension, click on Contact, then Create Contact. Enter the new contact's name, click Create Contact, and the new contact is immediately added to Bitrix. This integration is designed to make your workflow more efficient by seamlessly integrating WhatsApp Web and Bitrix. Thanks for your time. If you have any questions or need further clarification, just let me know.